Happy morning, students. This is Mohammed Ashfaq. In this video, we will be learning about missing numbers, which is part of NTSE exam. So here we have to find a missing number. So here the question mark is given over, and we have to replace this question mark with any one of the number which is given in the option. So for that, we have to find the logic with the numbers which have been given in the question. So they have given 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. What is the logic? What is the difference between these two numbers? It's nothing but 2. Then they have added 4. Again it's 2 and again it's 4. Which means we have to add 2 again to get the answer, which is nothing but 19. So the correct answer for this question is option D, 19. So here they have added alternatively with 2's and 4's, and by finding this logic we can reach to the answer as 19, which is given in option D. Let's move to the next question. So here they have given a number, they have removed a number in the mid of the series, so we have to find the logic again to replace the question mark. So they are given over 8, 12, 15, 17, 21, 24 and question mark 30, 33 and 35. So what is the difference over here? Plus 4 and plus 3 and then plus 2. And again if we check, again they have applied plus 4, 21 will get plus 3, 24. Then obviously we have to add plus 2 to reach the logic. And let's apply throughout this series to confirm whether the logic which we have found is right. Again if we apply plus 4, we will get 30, plus 3, 33 and plus 2, 35, which says that the logic which we have found is exactly right. And the correct answer for this question is 26, which is in option C. So with this question, I would like to conclude my session. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye-bye.